We are cracking 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2 one box eBay break. January 7th, 2023. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. EGBU-49 with the Bears, Browns, and Jaguars. Dolphin Fan with the Lions, Chiefs, Chargers, 49ers, Cowboys, Colts, Dolphins, and Saints. Boom, 5051120 with the Falcons, Panthers, Packers, Titans, Ravens, Seahawks, and Redskins. Bubby, 812936SVB with the Raiders, Rams, and Steelers. Spinners and Sports with the Buccaneers. Mother of Two with the Eagles. 66 Flappy 66 with the Jets. Sports Fan 005 with the Giants. Joey JAX806 with the Patriots. STMI 3166-FUZLKXMN with the Vikings. ROBCA 9219 with the Texans. Jonathan-0 with the Broncos. JORFR-2009 with the Bengals. Robinson 14 with the Bills. JUHAVL_0 with the Cardinals. And that is your full lineup. All right, here is your box, guys. 2022 Gold Rush Autograph Authentic Full-Size Helmet Series 2. These autograph authentic full-size helmets are absolutely amazing. They are gorgeous. Let's get our box open. All right, guys. Here we go. Your autograph authentic full-size helmet coming at you front and center. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Coming at you. We got Flash Alternate. Flash Alternate. The Chiefs. How beautiful looking is that already? Ooh, this is very nice. That is... Wow, these have some great weight to them. These authentic helmets, they are... What a helmet here. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful looking helmet. The Chiefs, that is a Warren Moon autograph, authentic, full-size helmet with the Hall of Fame 06 inscription. Beckett COA there on the back. That is absolutely amazing looking. That gold is so sharp. Wow. Wow. Congrats to Dolphin Fan. Warren Moon, autograph authentic, full-size helmet, Flash Alternate. Absolutely gorgeous. Wow. What a helmet. Look at that gold. That is so sharp looking. Beautiful. Warren Moon. Wow. How about that? That is so nice. Wow. Congrats to the Chiefs. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. Really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com, Dugan1640 on eBay, guys. I'll be sticking around in case anybody has any questions, of course. Thank you so much for your support, everyone. Beautiful lineup scheduled tomorrow night and all week long coming up. Please don't miss out on those. Thank you again. Please be smart. Be safe out there.